Good night. My name is Marlon Janses, and I chose a fake news that is about Donald Trump. This fake news was published yesterday on September 27 of 2020. This is related to the taxes that Donald Trump is paying. Um, News are saying that Donald Trump is actually paying, or he has paid in the period of 2016 to 2017 the amount of $750, which is a ridiculous amount due to the fortune that he he has. But the question here, what we have to analyze here is that if does Donald Trump really pay his taxes? And I consider that Donald Trump does pay his taxes because in front of a huge conference room, he has said that he's paying in proper way his taxes to the U.S. government. Also, I want to clarify that his lawyer has said that Donald Trump has paid to the U.S. government billions and billions of taxes, not only $750. Um, Also, I want to clarify why this is a fake news. And we could say that New York Times and CNN reports are made up because the opposite situation, or what the lawyer of Donald Trump is exposing generates a lot of confidence, or and make this story so fake and phony. Also, I wanted to say that Donald Trump has uh, told to the old media news that he's actually, or he will show his expenses and all his taxes to everybody, because this is like a tradition that when the president of the United States has the charge or received the charge, he chose these reports, but he hasn't done it because he is being monitored. And as a conclusion, we could say that he actually pays his taxes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later.